Hello everyone, my name is Piyush Shrikant Dingle and I'm going to represent you the ERPG model. So let's begin. Introduction. Different attitude towards companies' involvement in international marketing process are called international marketing orientation. ERPG framework was introduced by Wind, Douglas and Perlmutter. ERPG framework. E means ethnocentric. Do not adapt their produce to the needs and wants of other countries where they have operations. P means polycentric. Equal importance to every country's domestic market. R means regionocentric. Economic, cultural, or political similarities among regions. G means geocentrics. The main idea to target global customers who have similar tastes. So the first is ethnocentric. The orientation of ethnocentrism is home country orientation. The marketing strategy is extension of domestic strategy to foreign market. The company's basic objective is profitability. Home country is a culture. Technology is mass production. And the HRM is overseas operations are managed by home people only. So the example is Nissan. Nissan cars. Designed for mid-Japan winter, the vehicles are difficult to start in many parts of US during the cold winter months. In northern Japan, many of car owners put blankets over the hoods of the car and they expect Americans would do the same. The second is polycentric. The polycentric management orientation is host country orientation. The marketing strategy is localization or adaptation. Company's basic objective is public acceptance. The culture is host country. Technology is batch production. And the HRM is local nation are used in key management position. Plan to meet the needs of local culture. And the example is McDonald's. McDonald's started strategy to serve veg burger in India instead of non-veg burger like pork and beef. To its Indian customer can get terms of polycentric. Third is regionocentric. The management orientation of regionocentric is regional oriented. The marketing strategy is between standardization and localization. The company's basic objective is both profitability and public acceptance also. The culture is regional. Technology flexible manufacturing. The HRM is regional people are developed for key managerial position anywhere in region. And the example is L'Oreal and Adidas. The company that follows the regionocentric approach of the framework studies that similarities and difference in the world and it various operation region and design the strategic accordingly. And the last is geocentric. The management orientation is global orientation. Marketing strategy is global standardization. The company's basic objective is both profitability and public acceptance also. The culture is global. Technology, flexible manufacturing. The HRM is best people anywhere in the world are developed for key managerial position everywhere in the world. And the example is Google and Microsoft. The Google and Microsoft. In these companies are truly the global players are they displays the act and strategy of thinking global and act local. Thank you. Thank you.